directly without need to. It's internal type, internal external type, countersunk. And lock washer is called spring washer. A split spring lock washer is being rapidly replaced by a lock washer to design for specific application. Tooth washer म्हणतो वो. These are the tooth washers. This is internal type, internal, external type, both type with and it is used in small head screw and where it is desirable to hide the teeth either for appearance on the prevent snagging. Internal, external type used when the mounting holes are oversized. Hey, लिखा है तुम? लिखा? Countersunk type. This type of washer is also available used for flat or oval type head screw. 12 pins. Dual pins are used. Dual pins are made of heat-treated alloy steel and are used in assembly where a part must be accurately positioned and held in absolute relation to one another. They assure the perfect alignment and facilitate the quicker disassembly of the part and reassembly next relation. So the guide where to fix it. Okay, it gives the exact what. They are made of heat-treated alloys and are used for assembly where part to be accurate position. If it is accurate position, then you have to go for this step. Dual transfer. तो ते guide करता बस. Okay. Accurate position and absolute relation to one. Second, property classes as per the ISO 13667. The symbol for the property class of the bolts, screws, and stud consists of the two numbers separately apart. The first number is when multiplied by 100 indicates the nominal tensile strength in Newton per square millimeter. And second figure multiplied by 10 state the ratio between the lower yield stress and nominal tensile strength. This is general idea for it, how to calculate this all. As a percentage, the multiplication of these two figures will give 1/10 of the yield stress is Newton per square millimeter. Example of the screw is property of class 5.8. The nominal tensile strength should be 5,100 is equal to 500 Newton per mm square. Yield stress 80% of 500, let it go 400 Newton per mm square. The designation consists of two figures. First figure indicates 1/100 of the nominal tensile strength in 1 Newton per mm square, and the second figure indicates 1/10 of the ratio expressed as a percentage between nominal yield stress and nominal tensile stress. This is for your reference. If you want, you can read it. That's what you get. If you go like this way, we are not going to finish. After this, fasteners, no. All these fasteners, we have washers, then nuts, then next what is that? Drivers, screwdrivers. And again, how to drive this. These are the screwdrivers. Spanners are used to tighten or loose the nuts and bolts. This is the tools we are generally open end. This is called open ended. This is called ring spanner. This is wood spanner. This is called what? box spanner. Okay, tube or tubular box spanner. Box spanner. This is rated stock. This is called adjustable spanner. Yeah, next, power tools. This here you write down. There are different types of power tools. We have the power tools running with the compressor or pneumatic power tools, and power tools running with the electrical power. Electric power. We are the power tools. Air requirement, what you did, all thing is given 20 to 25 CFU. They have given a lot of details in this. If you want to learn more, you just read for your knowledge. Power tools. Then next is called torque wrench. Torque wrench means what? Torque wrench is a tool for setting and adjusting the tightening of nut and bolt for desired value is called torque wrench. So compost torque we have to tighten 16 Newton meter. Plus force mount tight. So you set at 16 Newton meter set to apply that torque wrench and tighten. Just to 16 Newton tight the law, ultimately it will lose the law for it. That will not tight the thing of suitable. It will force down. It will force does not tight. Once that is required torque is set, 16 Newton meter set the magi to any tied economic torque meter. You can set the torque for the required force. You can open it and see. Understood a torque wrench is what? Nothing but it's like a spanner only. But there is setting it there. Just remove the buffer and set how much torque it is. 16 Newton set press the lock you have to start blindly. Third upon how tight once that 16 Newton tight it will give tick sound. Tight. That is called torque wrench. Okay, then fasteners tightening. Always use the torque wrench to tighten the fasteners and use a slow, smooth, even pull on the machine. This is one. So, this is the torque. This is the torque wrench. Here the scale is given. Set the bottom, and then you have to tighten it. You can take the teacher reading here and try it. If you want to see, you can see maximum torque tightening torque. See, M4 270 Newton meter. M5 it should be 5.40 Newton meter. M6 9.50 Newton meter. That's all torque. M8 22.0 Newton meter and M10 44 Newton meter. Of set to one set based on diameter of the bolt here. What does power tool means? Power tool is a device that is achieved by a power source apart from the manual labor. These are various types of power tool. Example, electric, I saw that. Screwdriver, power. Then hammer drill, again pneumatic. Then fast screw guns, and the tools are used construction as several do. It is your self job and as a production, assembly, packaging, and maintenance. They are available in multiple size shapes and simple operation. Very reliable manufacturing marks sure that its power tools are marked under the rules and regulation of OSH standard. Occupation safety in this, we should take the power screwdriver will firmly give us a skill driving capability in a quick and efficient manner. They are designed to work at a slower rate than the typical power tools, and they, however, move more torque. Drills even use the ability to more power, such as drilling screwdriver and screw into materials without having to do any pre-drilling. Solid models will give us torque limited and allow you to set the maximum. Now next is called locking device. Yeah, just fast device. Locking device means there is something provision in the nut, so it will get locked. So after running condition must due to the vibration. Nut will get not loose if there is a locking arrangement is there. If there is no locking arrangement is there, then it will start closing. We have to provide certain logic. So you can see lock nut. The most common types of locking nut is lock nut nut. This is the full nut and small below where kept the nut is called lock nut. The height of the lock nut less compared to the main nut for the lock nut. This is the threads. Then screw saw nut. Saw nut mutastas asta. This is and there are some screw here. A screw cut and then you can put a screw over there. So when you tight no, this will come try to come here and the thread will get locked inside the bolt thread. Self-locking nut. Self-locking nut means it is a nut with a nylon or fiber ring insert placed in the upper part of the nut. The internal diameter of this ring is smaller than the core diameter of the bolt thread. So self-locking nut एक nut असं तो बिना की केला nylon plus ring घ्यायला. Then tight to the once they reach there, it will start cut the nylon area and that will get stuck over it. And the lock there, it will not come out. The nut while tightening cuts its own threaded on the nylon insert. Provide a positive grip and prevent the nut from loosening and vibration. So this is the black color they show. No, this is called nylon or fiber ring. Slotted and castle nut. Where this nut is used is very simple. Slotted and castle nut. So the slotted castle nut mostly is the automobile industry. Trucks and all. Where these slotted castle nuts are used. These nuts have special provision in the form of slot. This is the slot for fixing split pin or locking nut pin. Locking the nut. The slotted nut hexagonal shape through. Okay, the castle nut. The top part of the nut is cylindrical shape. This is slotted nut. This is the castle nut. Castle nut and sausage nut will castle nut and slotted nut upward look like is similar. Only in a castle nut there is some projection over here, and on the projection the slot is cut. But here the bolt height main body there only itself they have cut the slot to pass the what quarter pin or locking pin. Fix from the slot for fixing split pins or locking pins. Rotated castle nut with a split pin, the position and nut will lock within a split pin as shown. As in a relatively smaller size and nominal length and number of the Indian standard and the metals of other than the steel only. Screw nut. Screw nut. Next is lapping plate. They are showing locking plates. Locking plate will be like this. Okay, nut असतं ते एक plate लावलं असतं आणि एक screw लावलं that plating lock there. This is the arrangement. In this arrangement, a locking hose is drilled for accommodating the figure. The removal of the nut is prevented by a spindle or the washer against the nut. Tab washer can be used for locking the nuts which are located near the edge of corner. Where the nut, this tab washers are used. They are where they are used in such a place they are located near the edge of the corner. What some corner edge are in that is tab washer. Locking plate is this. This is called locking plate. This is called locking washer. Last is what? Locking washer with lug means it's not having the washer and it can be used as a locking tool. In this element, locking a hole is still for the accommodating nut. Tab washer. This is for tab washer. Tab washer can be used for locking the nuts which are located near the edge or edge or corner where direct marker. This type tab washers are used.